The Viofo A229 Duo is a popular dashcam with front and rear recording capabilities. It features dual lenses for comprehensive coverage while driving. This model includes both front and rear camera units, measuring approximately 3.9 inches tall and 2.3 inches wide for the front, with the rear unit being smaller at 2.64 inches wide and 1.33 inches tall. When properly mounted on a windshield, the dashcam records video from both the front and rear, capturing important details like timestamps and location data. However, many users experience the rear camera disconnecting, often mid-drive. This interruption can occur during highway drives or regular use. The issue stems from the cable connection between the main unit and rear camera. The cable can loosen due to vibrations from driving. This disconnection issue is primarily due to a design flaw in the cable connection, not software. It involves mechanical wear from vibrations and poor contact. This video explains the cable fix, a common DIY solution to address this problem. The fix involves reinforcing the cable connection to prevent loosening. We will guide you through diagnosing and resolving this issue by identifying symptoms and applying the appropriate fixes. The disconnection is typically caused by mechanical wear and tear on the cable and its connectors. Vibrations from driving can cause the cable to loosen at the connection points on both the main unit and the rear camera. Electromagnetic interference, EMI, can also disrupt the signal. Poor cable integrity, flexing, and sharp bends can lead to micro tears or poor contact. Essentially, the physical connection is failing. The cable fix refers to reinforcing the rear camera cable connection to prevent loosening. This typically involves reseating the cable, ensuring it's fully plugged in, and then securing it. Common methods include applying electrical tape around the connector to add friction and stability, or using cable clips to reduce strain on the connection caused by vibrations. This fix minimizes movement and ensures constant contact for power and data transmission. Vibrations from driving can cause the cable to loosen, disrupting the power and data transmission to the rear camera. The fix involves reseating the cable fully and securing it with electrical tape or clips. This adds friction and stability, reducing strain from vibrations and ensuring reliable power and data flow. First, power off your dashcam and carefully disconnect the rear camera cable from both the front unit and the rear camera. Second, inspect the cable and ports for any visible damage or debris. Third, reseat the cable by firmly plugging it back into both ports for a snug fit. Fourth, secure the connection using electrical tape or cable clips to reduce strain. Finally, test the connection by powering on and monitoring for disconnections. Beyond the basic cable fix, several alternative solutions can provide more reliable protection against rear camera disconnections in your Viofo A229 Duo. For a more permanent and professional solution, consider using heat shrink tubing. This creates a waterproof seal around the cable connections, preventing moisture and vibrations from causing loosening. During installation, ensure the cable isn't bent sharply. Sharp bends can damage internal wires and create weak points that lead to signal interruptions. Route cables smoothly along natural paths. Mount the dashcam in a location with minimal vibration. The center of the windshield typically experiences less movement than the edges, reducing stress on the cable connection. Regularly check cable connections to ensure they remain secure. Perform monthly inspections to catch potential issues before they cause problems. If issues persist despite other fixes, consider using a shorter, higher quality replacement cable. Look for automotive-grade cables with better shielding to minimize interference. If the cable fix doesn't resolve the rear camera disconnection issue, the first alternative step is to update your dashcam's firmware using the Viofo app. Firmware updates often include fixes for connectivity problems. If firmware updates don't help, try performing a factory reset on your dashcam. This can clear any corrupted settings that might be causing the disconnection. If the issue persists after reset, the rear camera cable itself might be faulty. Inspect the connector for damage and consider replacing the cable. As a last resort, contact Viofo customer service for warranty support. They acknowledge the rear camera disconnection issue and may offer a replacement, especially if your device is still under warranty. Many users have reported success with the cable fix, often sharing their experiences on forums like Reddit's r/dashcam. Some have documented significant improvements in uptime after applying the fix. However, others have found the fix temporary, eventually requiring cable replacement or warranty claims. Remember to document your troubleshooting steps in case you need to file a warranty claim. Looking ahead, the dashcam industry is shifting towards wireless rear camera connections to eliminate cable-related issues like disconnections. Viofo is developing a successor model, the A229 Pro, featuring redesigned cable connectors for better durability and reliability. Future firmware updates may incorporate AI-driven diagnostics to detect and prevent potential disconnections before they occur. Until these advancements arrive, the cable fix continues to serve as an effective solution for current A229 Duo owners.